Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn AI online. Begin by building a strong foundation in mathematics, including linear algebra and calculus, which are crucial for understanding AI algorithms. Next, master a versatile programming language like Python, as it's widely used in AI for its extensive libraries. Finally, grasp fundamental machine learning algorithms and data structures to prepare for more advanced topics. This structured approach ensures a solid base for your AI journey. Once you have the basics, focus on practical skills. Become proficient with leading AI libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch, which are essential for building and training models. Actively work on hands-on projects. This is where theoretical knowledge truly comes alive. Also, familiarize yourself with cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, as they offer powerful resources for AI development and deployment. As you progress, delve into advanced topics and consider specializing. Explore areas like deep learning, which involves complex neural networks, or natural language processing, focusing on human-language interaction. Understand various neural network architectures, such as convolutional or recurrent networks, and their specific applications. Continuously stay informed about new research and emerging AI technologies to remain at the forefront of the field. Learning AI is an ongoing process, so embrace continuous growth. Actively engage with online AI communities and forums to share knowledge and seek advice. Participate in hackathons or coding challenges to test your skills and collaborate with others. Consider pursuing advanced certifications or specialized courses to deepen your expertise in specific AI domains. This approach fosters lifelong learning and keeps your skills sharp.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.